In the heart of Dr. Phillips, we find comfort in our homes and the memories we create within them. But, as nature would have it, even the calmest of places aren't immune to unexpected challenges. Water damage? It's more than just an inconvenience. It threatens the very foundation of our homes and the health of our families. That's where Damage Control 911 comes in. Based right here in Orlando, our team specializes in water damage restoration and mold remediation. And for our neighbors in Dr. Phillips, we're just a call away. With state-of-the-art equipment and a dedicated team of professionals, we ensure your home returns to its former glory, making it safe, sound, and mold-free. For us, it's more than just a service. It's about protecting the heart of Dr. Phillips, one home at a time. Damage Control 911. Here for you, whenever you need us. Reach out today, because every moment counts when protecting what you cherish most. Call 407-408-0048, and we'll be on site within the hour.